Hello, everyone. Today, I'll be walking you through the process of creating your account in CAREAPP. The first thing we'll do is head over to the CBO or partner site for CAREAPP. Enter into your web browser hccareapp.org. Once you've arrived at the CAREAPP landing page, click where it says Sign Up here just above the login credentials or in the top right corner of the page. You will be asked to enter your first name, last name, and the email address associated with your program or organization. And then create a password of your choice. It does require that your password be at least 8 characters long and include at least one uppercase, one lowercase letter, and one special character. You will then click the checkbox accepting the terms of Find Help. And be sure to also select the radio button, indicating that you are searching to help other people. And then simply click Get Started. Shortly after, you should receive an email from support@findhelp.com asking you to activate your account. You will have 24 hours from when the email was sent to use the activation link. Do be sure to check your spam or junk folder to locate that activation email. Once your account has successfully been created, you will know that you're logged in by locating your name here in the far right corner. And that's it. You've created your account in CAREAPP.